Hey everyone, welcome to Valor. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to make a simple Roblox weapon. For this, let's open the toolbox. Here, we'll look for a gun mesh to use as our model. Let's choose this one. Alright, next we'll add a workspace tool. We'll name it gun. Let's put it on our weapon. We'll call it handle. Now we can add an attachment. Here, adjust how it'll look. Rotate and configure it. There. Next, we need to create 3 scripts: a local script, server script, and remote event. I'll add the remote event to the handle. In the server script, we'll write this command. You can rewrite this entire script. In the local script, I'll add sound. Here's the script. Done. I'll move the remote event and name it gunfire. We can add sound as the script's ready. These notes can be removed, they're for me. Audio, type gunshot here, pick a sound. Yeah, let's use this one. Hit insert, drop it in the handle, name it sound for the script, and test it. Now let's add an avatar, the rig builder. We'll add a little guy to see it better. Press play and there's our weapon. Rotate it right through the attachment like this. That's all there is to it. This was Valor. Like and subscribe, folks. Wishing you all the best. Good luck, everyone. See you next time.